Hey everyone, welcome back to College Dunia. Today I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of Reva University, your path to academic excellence. Well, if you are a student thinking about your higher studies, placements, or career opportunities, this video is going to help you understand everything from programs, fees, admission process, placements, top recruiters, ranking, and even the campus vibe. So stay with me till the end. Let's start with the basics. River University was founded in 2012. In a very short span, it has become one of the leading private universities in Bangalore, and the campus is 45 acres wide. And yes, REVA is NAAC accredited. That means the quality of education and overall standards are officially recognized at a top level. So that's already a big plus point. Fees are always a major concern for students and parents, right? So let me break it down. The minimum BTech fee starts at 1.95 lakh rupees. The maximum BTech fees can go up to 18 lakhs for premium specializations. The MBA program fee is rupees 9 lakhs in total. Some popular courses with exact numbers: BTech in CSE 4 lakh 17,060 for the first year and duration for 4 years. BCA 3.3 lakhs for 3 years. For BCom, it's 2.4 to 3.9 lakhs, 3 years. B Architecture, 15 lakhs, 5 years. So you can get a clear picture of the investment required. Now let's talk about the academic programs. REVA offers a massive 136 programs across different streams. At the undergraduate level, you have 38 options, BTech with 18 specializations, BBA, BCA, BCom, BSc, B Architecture, BA, LLB, and BBLLB, and courses in arts and humanities. At the postgraduate level, they have got 31 programs, including MBA, MCA, MTech, MSc, and some specialized master's program. For research and diploma, there are 28 programs, PhD in 20 disciplines, 8 diploma courses, plus programs, PhD in 20 disciplines, 8 diploma courses, plus opportunities for research and industry collaboration. Basically, whether you are into tech, management, law, commerce, or even performing arts, REVA has something for you. Now, let's talk about admission process 2025. So admissions are simple and structured. Let me tell you. Step 1. Choose your program from 136 options. Step 2. Check your eligibility and register for the right entrance exams like REVA Set, KSET, COMET-K, and so on. Step 3. Attend counseling where the seats are allotted on the basis of merit. And step 4. Complete your admission formalities, which include document verification and fee payment. If you are done with this, that's your admission secured. Now let's get into entrance exams you will need to keep in mind. REVA Set, this is the university's own test for courses like BTech, BBA, BCA, BCom, BHMC, BSc, etc. And it happens between June and July 2025. KSET and COMET-K, accepted for BTech admissions. NATA, required for B Arch, and the exam dates are from 7 to June 28th, 2025. Now, CAT, MET, CMET, or REVA MET accepted for MBA. CAT 2025 is scheduled for November 30th, and for MTech and MCA, PG Set is the exam, which results expected on October 22, 2025. Actually, cutoff trends give you a fair idea of competition. So for BTech in 2024, based on KSET ranks for the general merit category, the top rank was 15,756 and the closing rank went up to 87,715. The eligibility wise, you need at least 45% marks in your 12th, 40% if you are from a reserved category. Subjects must include physics, mathematics plus 1 from chemistry, biotech or biology, computer science or electronics, and of course, a valid entrance test score. Now, let's talk about impressive placement records. So, placements are where REVA shines. For the academic year 2024 and 2025, here are the stats. 540 companies visited the campus. They made 4,055 placement offers. The highest package was 40 LPA. The median salary stood at rupees 5 LPA, especially in BTech and MBA. Now the big question, who are the top recruiters? So let me Now, the big question is, who are the top recruiters? So let me list some. Amazon, IBM, Dell, Infosys, Wipro, TCS, Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Deloitte, PhonePe, PayPal, Concentrix, HCL. Uh, so placements here are just not good in numbers, but also in the quality of companies visiting. Let's talk about ROI, that is return on investment. So let's match fees with salaries. For BTech, the ROI is around 70%. The average starting salary is 6 to 8 LPA, while the first year fees is 4.17 lakh. For MBA, ROI is 65%. Starting package are around 8 to 10 LPA against a total fee of 9 lakhs. And for MCA, ROI stands at 60%. Starting package are 5 to 7 LPA against the fees of 6.3 LPA. So yes, the university offers a solid return compared to the investment. Now let's talk about rankings and recognition. So in terms of rankings, REVA is climbing up, ranked 17th among private universities in India by IIRF in 2024, ranked 252 under MBA nationally by College Dunia in 2025, plus NEC A grade accreditation. So the credibility is definitely strong. The campus is spread across 45 acres and comes with the world-class facilities you will find. A modern library with digital and physical resources, advanced labs for research, a sports complex with indoor and outdoor facilities, comfortable hostels, and multiple auditoriums for cultural and academic events. And even if we talk about locations and connectivity, so let me tell you the connectivity is great. Just 18.7 kilometer from International Airport and around 25 to 30 kilometer from Bangalore City Railway Station and Majestic Bus Stand. So it's not difficult for students traveling from outside Bangalore. So, why choose Reva University? Well, there are four solid reasons: academic excellence with NEC, A grade, and strong rankings, 540 plus recruiting companies with industry partnerships, world class infrastructure with a 45-acre modern campus, career outcomes with career outcomes with packages going up to 40 LPA. So that's why it is one of the fastest growing choices among students. So that's the complete breakdown of Reva University: courses, fees, admission, placement, recruiter, ROI, ranking, facilities, connectivity. And I hope this helped you get a clear picture. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more university insights and career tips. And if you want additional details, check out the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you in the next video.